Okay, let's start working on a lab exercise called the locking into a Linux using the Amazon EC2 Instant Connect。咁我哋玩一玩呢個 lab 啦，就係用呢個 Amazon EC2 Instant Connect 去駁 Linux 啊。I'll click on the lab，and click on modules and the lab here。咁啊，撳三下啦，and load the lab exercise。Okay, remove the terminal。咁啊，熄咗 terminal 啦。Click on start lab。Um, you should need to wait for a moment as the behind the scene is. I think it will help you to create EC2 instance and let you try set for connect into the EC2 and then about the firewall setting and whatever. And the lab is very short, but we need to wait for the lab start。咁我哋呢個 lab 好簡單嘅，就好簡單，因為其實應該開完部機俾你，咁啊叫你連線咁樣啦。但係你知道呢個 lab creation 你就知道，即係佢要開部機，要可能整個 VPC 咁樣，要少少時間。Suppose it's to take some time for it to create a network with virtual private cloud and a user instance. So let's wait for it. Okay, the lab started and we click on AWS。咁啊開得着啦，咁就撳 AWS 啦。And you will prompt the window AWS console and we will do the task one for the AWS IP address range。咁我哋要做 task one 先啦。咁你 click 一 click 個 AWS service IP parent click on this click by click or hold the control and click on it. And this is the appropriate link for you to set up the firewall automatically, since you know that in the cloud the IP address range is sometimes AWS expanding and you don't know the IP address at the time. So AWS provide a URL and then you can configure your program or script for your firewall to enable the IP range here。咁其實咧就個問題就係你 AWS 呢啲 IP address 係會成日轉嘅，因為舊時冇呢樣嘢好麻煩嘅，你唔知解防火牆點解，因為你唔知邊個範圍係某一個 AWS 嘅服務啊，你見到 Amazon 啲 IP range 見到嗱邊一個 region which region which IP range will provide for you everything including also you can properly see the region IP side and you can use this for your firewall. Okay. And also you can see the services。咁啊唔同服務唔同範圍，成個 AWS 個 IP range 都會喺度。咁你變咗要放咩個服務，你咪喺度 read 呢個 JSON 然後做咯。OK, you should find something. Use Control F to fly it。咁用 Control F 去 fly 啦，咁你就靠 fly for EC2 Instant Connect。OK, search for EC2 Instant Connect。Control F EC2 Instant Connect。And make sure the correct region。咁你要揀啱 region 就 US East One US East One US East One Instance Connect US。Oh, not yet found. There's many regions. Uh, oh, a bit. Oh, found it. Here is the IP address you needed。咁啊，你見到我係咁嘅，揾個32個。咁你每一個即係呢度見到每一個 region 咁就列咗俾你。咁啊要 EC2 Instance Connect 嗰個 IP range。Okay, now you got the information you need. You required it is here. But this is the same as the instruction here. Okay, copy down the IP prefix. Now we go to EC2。咁我哋去 EC2 啦。Click on EC2 here. You got EC2. Otherwise, you can type EC2. Yeah, and just click on it. And you should find a instance there. Is start by the lab start from the confirmation。咁你一定要揾到部機，揾部機啊睇嗰啲 setting 啦。咁你 in brown rule 你就開個防火牆俾頭先嗰啲，應該係要搞個防火牆咁樣。Okay, we should set up some firewall rule here and just remove a firewall rule for the EC2。咁我哋其實而家係鏟條 rule 嚟做實驗啊。Okay, lab server and click on the server and security and you see the lab security group here and just the IP here. Click on it. Okay, we have an inbound rule and then edit inbound rules. 咁我哋就撳一撳 need in edit inbound rule 啦。And this is the SSH IP address. This is here. And we are supposed to delete this rule. OK， 咁我哋 delete 咗呢條 rule。咁你見到其實呢個好明顯就係啲 VPC 入邊嘅 IP address. So suppose this is not the proper internet IP address. It's something inside the VPC, I think. But never mind, just delete it. Okay, save the rule. Oh, it's not allowed. Delete the IP address. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. You are not allowed to delete the rule. You need to update the IP address. Okay, but here and then here, edit the inbound rule and not this IP address. We use the IP address here for the EC2 corner. Okay, and save the rule. Now you have allow your IP, the IP address of EC2 instance connected this to connect into your EC2 instance。咁你而家你變咗你就係放咗俾呢個服務嘅 IP 範圍，即係 EC2 instance connect 入去個服務牆啦。Okay, now we try log in the instance. We go back to EC2 instance here。咁啊撳翻 instance 啦 ，click on the lab server。咁啊撳一撳 lab server 啦。咁啊然之後咧。We click connect here, and this is EC2 instant connect, and we use the basic one, just public IP address。咁我哋用 public IP address 嘅呢個服務撳啦。咁啊 user 佢好醒嘅，知呢個 EC2 user。Okay, since this is the public IP address, we just use the setup here, public IP address ring, and not using any endpoint, and also the default username for Amazon Linux EC2 user. It know about the army, so it know about the username。咁佢知個 army ID 同埋知個 user 係咩 login 咯。We connecting the service， click connect， 咁啊撳啦。Okay, we can copy here. Just run a command to update the Linux. Control Shift V， 咁你用 Control Shift V 貼翻落去。We update the Linux here, and you see that it's just quite straightforward. You don't have to any special tools. It's just everything inside the console through the web browser。咁啊，呢啲好方便啊，又唔使裝咩 SSH 卡啊，又唔使落咩 key， 乜都唔使，咪方便好多，同埋成日 Q 好多錢。你入到個 console 即係你 permission OK 啦。We finish the exercise, just update it and just exit, Control Shift V, just log out, exit, log out. You can close the tab here. You just 咁啊刪咗 tab 咁啊做完啦。Okay, the lab is so simple. It's just the demonstration how to use the EC2 connect to make the correct to connect into the instance。咁啊好簡單咁啊入啦。咁啊唔使密碼，因為其實呢啲你之前你開機嗰陣時，其實佢有個 agent 喺裏面嘅。Suppose you don't need to set any password. It's because you start the instance and suppose AWS have the agent inside the EC2 army already installed, and then they get the metadata from AWS。咁啊 AWS 明明攞啲 metadata 去做。Okay, good. And we finish the lab here. Just close log out your EC2 console。咁啊其實 log out 咯 ，Amazon console log out Amazon console and then end the lab。Yes。